because it's my responsibilities. So we're still together.
Ketua Umum PSSI, Erick Thohir, menemui para pemain timnas Indonesia usai kekalahan dari Jepang dalam kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026. Momen ini terlihat dalam unggahannya di Instagram pribadinya pada Jumat, 15 November 2024. Di depan para pemain, Erick Thohir menyebut dirinya siap mundur jika tidak dipercaya oleh para pemain.
After the match, I meet the media. They're all outside. What I say to them is my responsibility as the president of the federations. All the result we have, I bring the coach, I bring all the players to believe in the projects. The question, do you all still believe in this project? Do you still believe on me as a leader? Yes. Because otherwise, I'm willing to step down. I'm willing to stepping down as the president of Indonesian Football Federations because it's my responsibilities. So we're still together.
Yes.
We have 5 matches. 3 homes, 2 away. We need 9 points to be number 3 or number 4, even number 4. So tonight, I want every individual in this room to review what went wrong. If you want to be, stay as a team.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.